What's up guys, I'm Han, and today I'm going to show you guys how to scoot to full or scoot to backward 360. So before you guys try this, make sure you guys are warmed up and make sure you guys do it somewhere safe like a gym if you have one. If you have like mats, if not, you have a bed mattress or sand, anything that's soft before you guys try outside. I'm going to show you guys one real fast and we'll get started. Okay, so the first step is you gotta find out which hand do you put down first. So I'm gonna be teaching it the side where I twist to my left and I use my left hand down. So if you put your right hand down and you twist to the other side, just do everything I say except the other way. So the first things you want to do is learn to scoot, and having a back to 360 or back forward will help you. This will help you much easier for this move. So what you want to do is you want to have your right foot in front and your left foot back. Your body's going to be kind of facing at an angle, not straight, but like kind of angle. So right foot in front, left foot. Then you're just going to kind of kneel down. Some people, they like to have their knees on the ground. I don't like that because that kind of hurts my knees. You don't really have to have your knees. You can have your knees a little bit like this, not really touching the ground. So just go down like this, bend down like this, and then you will place your left hand down, touching the ground. Your left hand should be facing this way. And it should be straight a little bit. Your arm should be straight like this. You should be in this position, guys. I'm not sure if you can see it that good, but this position. So after you get down like this and you place your hand down like this, you're gonna scoot. So basically your left foot is gonna step inside over here. Kind of like you're gonna kind of push up a little bit too with your left hand. So you're gonna step like this, just like that. You should feel like a power. You know, that's how you get your momentum. It's kind of like a round off. You both get your momentum. You should kind of feel like a power thing. You know. So just practice that step first. So you're gonna get down, put your left hand down, and just step. Kind of like a scoot. You know, you can scoot forward. You should kind of feel like a push. So after you get the scoot, then it's the backward 360, guys. So you should be facing backwards right here. So go down, scoot. You should be in this position. Your hands should be off the ground because you pushed off. Now it's the back forward. You should get the momentum. You should feel the momentum. You can swing your arms up, and it should just feel like a normal backward 360, guys. Swing your arms up. You're just gonna wrap over your shoulder, kind of punch over your shoulder, look over your shoulder. And then it's the landing, guys. Always down the ball of your feet, knees slightly bent. Try to have your chest up, not too down because you might fall, but chest up. So let's go over it slowly again. So if your right foot's in front, left foot back, kind of facing a little bit this way, not straight. You're gonna kneel down, your left foot is gonna go down a little bit, your left hand's gonna be facing this way. Then you're just gonna scoot, step through, kind of push off at the end. Then you should be in that position to be able to swing. So you should feel the momentum, you know. And then the back to 360 like this, you just feel like a normal back to 360. I'm gonna show you guys one last time. Alright, hopefully that helped you guys out. Leave a comment below and I'll see you guys next time.